Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress theme in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger H panel. Once you're in your H panel, you'll be set to move on to the next step. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your WordPress admin panel from H panel. Inside the dashboard, locate the section titled Websites. Under here, you should see your domain, the one you want to manage. Click on Dashboard next to your domain name. As you scroll through the options, keep an eye out for the WordPress section, sometimes labeled WordPress Overview. Click on that and then look for the Admin Panel button or a small login icon. Go ahead and click on that and it will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. This makes managing your WordPress site simple without having to repeatedly re-enter credentials. With WordPress open, our next step is to install a theme right from the WordPress dashboard. Start by going to the menu on the left-hand side of your WordPress admin page and look for Appearance. Click on it and then select Themes. This area is where all your installed themes are displayed. Here you'll see an option saying Add Theme. Click on it to open up the vast directory of free WordPress themes available to you. You can browse through popular themes or use the search bar if you have a specific one in mind. As you scroll through, take a moment to preview the themes by clicking the Preview button next to each one. This lets you see how the theme would look on your site without actually installing it. Once you find a theme, hit the Install button next to the theme. WordPress will take a moment to download and install it for you. After it's installed, a new option will appear labeled Activate. Click on Activate to set that theme as the active one on your website. And that's it. So that is how you can install WordPress theme in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.